How to delete your Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your Telegram account, what you want to do is simply head over to your browser first and search in for Telegram account delete. Now if you want, you can head directly into my.telegram.org as well. Simply once you search for Telegram account delete, tap on the very first link that says my.telegram.org, and you can see here it says delete account or manage apps. Now here first you'll have to log into your account. In order to log in, what you have to do is simply enter in your phone number here, and once you enter in your phone number, now make sure that you enter in your country code as well. So you'll have to enter in your country code, and then you'll have to enter in your phone number, then tap on next. So once you do so, you can see it'll ask for confirmation code. Now remember that you won't get this OTP on your phone SMS. You will get it on your Telegram SMS. So you have to head back to Telegram on which device you are logged in, or if you are logged in on the same device, you can head over to Telegram. And here you can see Telegram, and it says web login code. You can see right here, and you can see the code. You'll be able to see it. This is your login code, so you want to copy that particular code. Once you copy the code, you want to head back to your web and paste in the code there. So simply paste in the code and tap on sign in. Once you sign in, you should see these three options here. Simply tap on delete account option, then it'll ask you for confirmation. Simply tap on delete my account and your account will be deleted permanently. This is how you can delete your Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.